Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be just doing a little DIY project. My pipe is leaking right in this section here. Let me show you guys. So it's leaking. Well, it's actually the faucet that's leaking. Right there, a bit of a complicated thing, but oh shucks, I'm just realizing that I need a flex hose. Alright, let me get a flex hose right quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to lock off our angle valve, which is this little fella right here. I already went ahead and turned it off, so just lock it off a little tighter, and that restricts the flow of water so we can get down to business. So what I'm going to do is disconnect this right here and disconnect the other one that's on the faucet up top. So let me show you that in a bit. I'll be back. And two simple tools that you'll be needing for this job. Two simple tools is a pliers and an adjustable. Now the pliers is to reach any places that the adjustable can't reach. So you have the channel lock pliers. This is the channel lock pliers, and it is to reach any, it is to go into any hard reaching corners. So yeah, so these are the two tools that you need. You'll probably need you'll probably need another pliers or maybe a pipe wrench if it is more difficult. But apart from that, just these tools, simple and basic. So yeah guys, as I was saying, you'll need a flex pipe, and here it is, a flex pipe. This is what you call a flex pipe. Now this connects to the faucet and the pipe that's coming from the main line. So let's get down to it.